spray it all the way in, you can still see the OEM color. They just, you know, half-assed the masking around it. So I have to sand all of this off, everything, primer it, and then shoot the new color that we're gonna do. Detrim everything. I'll pull these off later because, you know, he's still gonna drive it around. So I'm gonna sand down all this, everything that's out here up to here. I'll remove the rail later. Maybe once we're like ready for paint, I'll remove the rail, get all this done. Still need to detrim this on both sides, but I mean, it's definitely gonna look a lot better than all of this. You can see this, but look, it's got drywall screws, it's rusted on the inside of the bumper, there's a piece of wood right there, and then there's a drywall screw in here in the back. Drywall screw. This bracket for the fender. See it, but look at this drywall screw. This is what was holding on to that bracket from the headlight to the fender. So it's all rusted, giant hole there. Easy. What the fuck? They use this to hold on to the headlight. What the fuck? Look at this. What the hell is in this? Look. This is what was holding on to the headlight. amount of Mickey Mouse stuff they did to this car. The amount of Mickey Mouse stuff that's going on in this car is amazing. Jesus. The amount of Mickey Mouse stuff that I found on this car. This is what was holding onto the headlight right here in the back, so it doesn't let it go backwards or forward. So this is what was jamming that headlight in here. So they decided to, you know, they snapped that bolt off. I guess they cross-threaded it. So what they decided to do is they just put a drywall screw right here on top and decided to leave this alone instead of taking that bolt off, putting a new one in. They even put a chewed up washer in here. So these are all rusted. I'm gonna end up switching them out. This drywall screw. I can't find a replacement part for this. This is the headlight bracket that holds onto the bumper. So this, I'm gonna see if I could sandblast it. Might weld another piece here, but I'm gonna end up sandblasting this and spraying it, you know, the color that I'm gonna end up going with. But so far, this is just the front end. You know, I know there's damage in that quarter. If I'm seeing all this Mickey Mouse shit going on right now, I could just imagine how the back is going to be. But so far, you know, this is what I've gotten pretty much done. I'm gonna end up taking this the side marker light, and then the liner's gonna come off. Wheels are definitely gonna get changed. Coils and wheels are gonna be going on this thing, so that doesn't matter. But oh my god, there's a lot of Mickey Mouse stuff going on in this car. A whole lot.